ready to supercharge your contract delivery and slash manual work in half. Today, we're diving into the powerful integration between Zapier and Pandadoc. To automate your contract, Sending This is how you connect your preferred tools and ensure contracts are delivered precisely when you need them. First things first, head over to Zapier and click Create Zap. This is where we'll build our automated workflow, or Zap as we call it. For our trigger, think about what action in your other applications signals that a contract needs to be sent. Are you closing a deal in your CRM? Marking a project as ready? Let's say we want to send a contract when a new lead is added to our CRM. We'll select our chosen CRM, for example, HubSpot, and then choose the trigger event, like New Contact. Next, Zapier will ask you to connect your CRM account. Follow the prompts to grant Zapier access once connected. You'll test the trigger to ensure it's pulling in data correctly from your CRM. Now for the magic, the action search for, and select Pandadoc as your action app. From the list of actions, choose Send Document. This tells Zapier exactly what we want Pandadoc to do. Just like with your CRM, you'll connect your Pandadoc account. This allows Zapier to interact with your Pandadoc templates and send documents. Now, the crucial part, mapping your data. Select the Pandadoc template you want to use then. In the fields provided, map the information from your CRM trigger like the contact's name and email address to the corresponding fields within your Pandadoc template. This ensures your contract is pre-populated with the correct details. Review your Zap to make sure everything is set up correctly. You can optionally add more details like the document name or specific settings. Once you're satisfied, turn on your Zap. And that's it. Now, every time a new contact is added to your CRM, a Pandadoc contract will be automatically sent. This is just one example. The possibilities are endless for streamlining your entire contract workflow. Start automating today.